Hello student of class 7, let's continue chapter Wind and Storm. And today let's discuss few of the devices by which we can measure wind speed, we can find the direction of the wind, etc. etc. So at first let's discuss about the Nmo Meter. Wind speed is measured by a device that is called Nmo Meter. You can see figure 14.6 Nmo Meter. By counting the number of turns made per minute, wind cup moving in circles, one can measure the speed of wind. The Nmo Meter can be constructed using wind cups or wind blades, which are mounted on the stem that spins. And this kind of device we can see in airport also. Another device that is called wind van, you can see figure 14.7. With the help of this wind van, we can find out the direction. Wind direction can be observed by using this wind van. It is one of the oldest and simplest device used to determine the direction of the wind. It has a wide side and a narrow side. The side that is wider and bigger is push wind, and the narrow side, that is the tip of the pointed arrow, shows the direction in which wind is blowing. Another device that is called Windsock. A windsock is a tool used to determine the direction as well as the strength of the wind. In figure 14.8 you can see it looks similar to a sock, hence it is named so. When a windsock points north, direction of the wind is south. In other words, wind direction is the opposite of the direction of the windsock is pointed. The position of the windsock helps in indicating the wind speed. The higher the windsock is, the higher is the wind speed. So student, here we have devised about the three devices. One is Nmo Meter. Nmo Meter, by using this we can measure the wind speed. Another one is wind van. By using this wind van we can find out the direction of the wind. And windsock, by using this we can find out the direction of the wind as well as the wind. Now let's discuss about the storm. A disturbance in the atmosphere that generally involves a low pressure area with strong winds, clouds and precipitation is called storm. There are many different types of storm such as thunderstorm, snowstorm and cyclones. Let's discuss about thunderstorm. A thunderstorm is a violent storm that is accompanied by lightning and thundering. Thunderstorm often develops in hot, humid and tropical areas. Warm air, while rising into the atmosphere, carries moisture upward into the cooler parts of the atmosphere. The water vapor cools and condenses to form cloud. As clouds cool further, water droplets fuse to form bigger drops of water and fall as rain. These water drops may also freeze to form ice. The swift movement of the water droplets falling downwards along with the rising air creates bright sparks of electricity called lightning. As the electricity of lightning passes through air, causes the air around it to suddenly heat up and expand with loud burst of sound that is called thunder. So student, remember, thunderstorm is always accompanied by lightning and thunder. Whenever the sunlight falls on the surface of earth, As a result, the air above the surface of earth become hot, and this hot air rises up. Whenever this hot air rises up, they carry the moisture, that means water vapor, along with them, and this water vapor cools and condenses and form cloud, and this cloud further cool and form bigger water droplet and fall as rain. This water sometimes may also freeze to form ice.